My name is Scott Hebert. I'm a teacher of 16 years from Alberta, Canada, also known as Master Heebs, longtime gamification teacher and pioneer of gamification in education. I've spent the last 10 years of my career developing gamification for teachers all around the world. And I'm excited to announce my new school page, which will hopefully become the hub for all gamification and education around the world. The benefits of joining this community are twofold. First, I will always provide everything that I've created throughout my 10 plus years as a gamification educator to all of my members. That's over 1,000 resources, whether it's quests, apps, games, cards, icons, graphics, the list goes on. They're all yours. The second benefit is that you will be able to connect with educators from all over the world who are interested in gamification, bouncing ideas off of each other, working collaboratively, and meeting monthly in order to share what we do. Will you join the guild?